Hello kids, today we have the Hot Wheels Sharkruiser. This one is blue and all the kids love it. The Sharkruiser chomps and rocks to music. As you can see, it has the head shaped like a shark. It has a little seat here, big tires and wheels. It has a big engine and it comes with rubber teeth, big rubber teeth. They flex a little bit. And it makes sounds. You push this button here. Now as you saw, that wheel went back and forth, back and forth. But if you push the other button, this wheel will just go forward. Nice. They call this the Extreme Action Hot Wheels. Let's do that again. It's a shark car. Do you like it? It is nice. Put it on the floor and push the button. Go ahead, push the other button. Wow!
Shark car.
Okay, put it on the floor and push the other button. Okay, the other one. Wow, do you like it? It's the blue shark. All right, let's see those cars go. Here goes the Sharkruiser. Oh, there he goes. Okay, let's see the other one. What does it
We
do?
got more ways. Yeah. We got well, you can't hit the button.
Oh, there they go. Whoa! There it goes. Go ahead, Sammy. How do you like your car, Sammy?
Good.
Oh, it's nice, huh? Oh, here comes the Sharkruiser. Chomp, chomp. How do you like it, Jacob? Whoa, here comes the yellow one. Whoa! It's super fast.
I'll put you my car.
Yeah.
Faster. Watch. Jacob, watch mine.
Whoa! That's a speed racer.
See, Jacob, I told you mine is faster than yours. There's the shark. Well, mine's coming back the other way.
Whoa, that's a nice Sharkruiser, Jacob. Whoa, here comes the yellow one. Whoa, car crash.
Whoa, car.
Whoa.
Here's shark car. Ow! Eat my bees. Ow, Jacob, get him off. Get him off.
Yeah, he's biting your foot.
Ow!
The Sharkruiser's biting your foot.
Jacob, more waves. Can I have more waves? Ready, set, go!
Whoa, that one's really fast.
Yeah, mine is too fast.
The shark's a little slower, but it's a mean shark. It can jump, jump, jump.
Where's our...
Whoa, there's a shark. Whoa.
Jacob, let's get the way shark cars.
The shark is jumping away.
Jacob, pull your car your shark car next to here. No, I sure don't. Jacob, but that's the only way we start the waves.
Okay,
Stop changing.
there it goes. Oh, it's taking off. Whoa, really fast car.
Jacob, ready, set, go. Set, and go.
Oh, here it comes. Whoa. Goes right by my foot. And under the car. Under the big car. Wow, that's a really fast car, Sammy. Where's the shark? There's the shark. There's the shark car.
Jacob, won't waste. We got to put your car next to the one. Ready, set, search engines.
Start your. There you go.
Set,
Start your
go.
engines.
Jacob, that's a stick.
Whoa, there he goes. And there goes the shark.
Can't catch up to mine.
I think the shark gets tired. It's a big shark.